in the island there. Good Jacure. What do you allow to take up on yourself every day on Selassie I release the cure? When Selassie I release the cure, no? Nobody never did. Everybody I say, yeah. Bumbleclad, where rest of them name, man? Bumbleclad. You know them in a pretty, yeah. Fuck it. Not really secure. I sing that 10 times. Yo. Alright. Longing for I see him whatever. We do the whole line blood clot Rasta mentality where I go out with there. Yeah, that's what we are doing with our Ray and Tay. Good. But me think you did married to no cure. One night time there. Me could have swear things say you're married. Or I must be unconditional love. Unconditional. When you do that one day, no. Unconditional love. You never love me because of pints all or whatever. Yeah, unconditional. You never married. You never married because me don't want to go to Wagwan yet before me beat in a rust because here Wagwan now. Because I swear think Jock you're married. Behind these prison walls. The cure. Behind these prison walls, to win my pieces, to win my time. Remember, you know, what will it take, my love, to show you I'm still in love with you? What would it take, my love, to show you how much my love is true? Feeling she gave to me makes you feel so brand new. That one I like is the like that one that buy cure. That one the bad. Yes, yeah. Did married? So you're not still married, people? Tell me if you're not still married, because you're fucking bias now. Move on the bumbleclad, you still married. Married as the day of the day, that's alright. That's not still in a bleaching clothes, me, he married. The Ross married, not did married in the divorce. The Ross married. Answer me that. The Ross that he married? Divorce. No, pretty. Divorce. Oh. Ross. Pardon me. Pardon pussy clot me there. So you fuck you up already? Illy marriage? They know what they that. When you married the boy Rasta. That's why they can't tell me nothing, you know. Then the man I go tell you say my fashion Rasta. Alright. Me not listen to the chunks and being them, you know, and the whole heap of blood clot, Chocho and Pumpkin and Aikin and the Ainana chips and them sitting there. I don't keep all of that. You can hold all of that for a souvenir. I don't listen to none of them kind of mental because at the end of the day, you know, the rest of them not live good. See it? A what year? Here that bubble there. What name? Capitan. Theme girl where my fuck for years or whatever did come scream out rape and in not the same way. The rasta then not live good cause what you know. The man in I car. Wherever him carry you from, fly you in. You want the girl if you lick out your body, well you not live right. As a ras. As a good ras. Look how you live. It's like you don't sit down and live so. The good dirty ras where you be. You're wicked. And if somebody if you look by you and tell us, what do they do the boy? They are road here, other people are talking about getting them body wall lick out and burn them out. If only these walls could talk. I could say a word. If only these walls could talk. Eh? The girl ever said open up them mouth like the rest of girl them, you know. Uno girl. Uno make the lily. Uno make the artist them a fly uno fry. Yes, I feel like out them body wall and uno not talk thinking mouth girl. I know for uno me sip on the grammar do it. No for uno me sip on the grammar fly out. I fly got different places. Dubai, do this, do that, do the, do there. We don't go fucking suck out batty wall for money. Come back and hype in a Louis purse. No fuck, can you see? Una the way, una there, I wanna make blood clot Jacure fly on in a Jamaica fill it out in batty wall like tissue. Good blood clot Jacure. Good bumbo clot. Love is. Love is what you see right bumbo clot there so. Can't trust them. As God rain a fall, you can't trust people. This a Rasta ya. The man a go beat a girl if a girl don't look out in batty wall and them things that me show on the dog how people stay in a life, my friend. The good Rasta chunks and bean. The man say them a wallet. The man look at the man and let you out of jail. He love is. Love is. Look how the man and let you out of Bumbuckler jail. You wicked. And somebody girl pitting that. Mama, you should be ashamed of yourself too. That's how the love fly out. Make artists have an all about like plunger to Bumbuckler. In a batty wall you gone. God batty wall. Eh? Jackie, look at you. Are you a Rasta? Chocho. Pumpkin. Banana. Chew stick. You. Good Rasta. You are fashion Rasta. We know you are fashion. I've not found. What kind of mentality that? Not a good style. Not a good blood clot style. I don't, you know what? You know me, I look on. You see it? Mecca did me as a ballet. When I say, yeah, man, you know. Move on the Bumbuckler. You, Jacure, make man a look up to you like sky to pussy clot. And you have girl a look out your body wall like Charmin. You turn people girl pin in a tissue. You turn girl pin in a good blood clot tissue and wipe out body wall. As a ras. As a ras. What else you do? Me you there as a chat. What else you do? Worry Kyle. Talk to me about Bobo Hill. Zion. Make a reason. What you do? I wanna do without a Zion there. Because when you say we are folly, you know, you're folly. You're folly out. Trim yourself, pussy. Trim yourself. You live wrong, man. You, me tell you, know, girl lick chip. Your wife left you and a girl have a lick out your body wall, Rasta boy. I can't believe you. You figure jail. Oh, police now have you in a custody. 2019, our people are holding down. A long time because the girl say, 2019 this happened. And I went now, 2020 are done. Now watch it. 2020 are done. And that's why your wife left. Your wife dump you because you have girl lick out your body regular. Make we know, but brother, I don't know what to believe anymore. Brother Love is, every day I listen to your bad man. Love is, you see you? When me I listen to your tune them, I mean that same thing, me a militant boy. Me feel like me militant when me I listen to you, my friend. I mean I say, yeah, me I wallet like Jack you are behind bars, walking paces and paces. God, they never have chat up them. Person on the bed and rose into the bed. Liberty, it makes me ball. Me day near me a wallet. Come here, I say, when me I listen to you, a militant see me a wall. Brother, you're a militant of Bumbuckler. I mean, I like a militant see how we have to beat people, girl, people feel out the body wall and then because of that joke thing, that bad man. You make bad man everywhere feel a weird youth. What kind of style that bad man? No, me feel unmilitant. Because when me I listen to you, them the time that me swear think me militant. No, me not militant. A joke thing. Jacure, you let me down. Me think say someone out here wallet. Me think. Well, we want to say no, Jacure. Yeah, me I see him thing. Cause me have girl lick out my body wall already, you know, Jackie. Me not play like me and a victim in a bad man. But I feel like me a beat it, so me not like them thing there, you know. Cause trust me, you know. Me rate them thing there, you know, bad man. It have a different feeling, you know, BG. But me just as everybody knows that me in a wallet. You a wallet. So how you are me reaching I see him department, bad man. A joke thing. No, me unmilitant because I'm swear things I'm a militant. Yeah. Brother, look here. You ever think that me I go do freaking next I eat out pussy and I listen to you? No, cause me sweet things say yo. Zion and worry cause he'll turn call meal and fish and thing. Me not mix that bad man. You see me I did? You I don't know. Me never say yo. Yeah, them things they feel very good. I mean freaking is nice. I with the blood clot there, Ross. You see me I deal with, but you're not gonna beat off a girl them. I mean I beat Jackie or neither. Jackie or what do you? Just trim. You can't do what you do. I mean me tell you this, someone wanna suck pussy Rasto. Where I beat Jackie or. Allow him. Let Jackie or be himself. But Jackie or you shouldn't make it bust out, brother, you should come talk. You know one of them blood clot song there you should have said, longing for you to suck for lick up my body whole more or something. You see what I did? Make we have a slight idea so you have a peck of freaky this in here. Like I'll drink off some of my roots off a girl titty or something. Make we know so you have freaky thoughts. You see if you did come on, make we know so you have them freaky mentality that we wouldn't surprise. But enough Rasta suck pussy out here. We don't know nothing about Capitan, we don't know nothing about Sizzler them. I girl them alone no. I girl them alone know. Only the ladies alone know about them pussy I get sucked out and sit by Rasta. Alright. Don't say me say. But me hear one girl say already say Tony Rebels up. Don't call for me name because my name is because now. Watch out. You see, I be a freaky Rasta freaky people that enough of artists want to rate a freak. What now go do? So cause when sweet things and the freakiness now go on to Jamaica now, when the sister Jackie will like getting batty whole lick out. How no feel? How no feel? You must feel lesser on the bumbuckler itself, bad man. How are you? Walla well have a freakiness and the girl them in her lashes them, bad man. How are you? Bad man. The girl them in her lashes them, man, and them are doing some freakiness and you have a hey girl, you. It does freak you feel so good. You understand me? But we need to tell the people them say we are freak, Jackie. You can't just come out strong so. No, nobody never knows say you're them type of freak you till right now. You have to talk it. You have enough tune you could have tell me say you're freaking and you never do it. You see me? You suck pussy. Ross, you suck pussy. I know that for real. Eh? Hey, bad man, watch you now. Me know this, you know. Cause girl them attack. You see from the camera phone you come out, the whole hour now get drop out of the face. What do you want time I tell the girl them say, girl, who don't start video boy them? See it there? My word never drop a ground. See it there now, Jackie are getting batty whole lick out. Jackie, but me show you this, bad man. You see we? Someone will love a batty wash. Girl a lick out, girl a wash off the wall of your cheeks. You understand me? The whole of your cheeks, daddy. Yeah, I say yes. You have to say, yes, Almighty God. You whole of your locks then turn up in your bumbuckler head, me J. Me I say, bumbuckler cookie cure. Babylon release the cure. The whole of the cure are releasing. I get them out. The locks then stiff in my bumbuckler dog. And when the girl them are swipe your blood clot tongue through body like credit card, my friend. You see me I deal with? But you see you now, Jackie, why you say everybody I take it that way? Yeah, you never make with nose and so you like the freakiness. You would get suck off, girl, and lick your balls from back. A two girl flying, you know, two girl flying, you're a freak. You love it. You and two girl in a bed, you and pussy, me know that for sure. You dirty Jackie, you is a freak. You like when girl lie down in your face. Me know that. Yeah, listen to you. You can't know that, bad man. But you only want to lick out your eyes are freaky, this a kinky. Me know you tie up a girl them. Yeah, me know. You see, unconditional love. That's why you got this. So you got unconditional love because you unconditionally lick out body wall too. You lick out but anything where you like, you do it too. I like Ed and I give it. I like Ed and I give it. So put that to Mats up. Mats up that now, Jackie. Me love Ed, yes, means I me love suck pussy. Right? That's why I'm married to a girl and I suck her pussy every day. So me know you lick out body wall too. So you did expect. So she, because it's a foreign bitch, you did expect she was ready for lick out the body wall already, right? So guess what now? You did ready for lick out the body wall. Me not surprised that no, you see 2020? Me can't surprise a fucking nothing, bad man. Watch ya. Youth, You know, see, 2020 me a bleach. You know, have bleaching clothes. Look for me out in the road, I bleach like dog, my friend. Nothing no surprise me. I be a artist a suck pussy on the devil. Tell me say a lie. Artist a suck pussy and a lick out battle but bunny out every day. And a Jack, you're alone a freak. The whole of in a business a blood clot freak. Have the people and girl pitney doing unscrupulous things, but you not beat the people and girl pitney enough it talk. As soon as the girl pitney they start telling people about one out, also man, you met girl enough to get it to go and make your boy them freaking out. And I make on lick out batty wall and now video them. Oh no, video them. You know, take a picture. You don't know what is a picture. Oh no, if you come blood clot show what the dirty boy them a make on do. Uno make your boy them a drop on a blood clot face every day. Here uno like dirty girl. Oh, Jamaican man, Jamaican, you can't run around them no do them with Jamaican man. You mad? And me I want to come yo, hey, so good girl. Just shut up your mouth and move out of my face. Shut your fucking pit and move out of my blood clot face, dirty girl. Because I want now. You see right now, see Jack you there, have people pitting and turning a bumbo clot bathroom tissue. And no, any of the girl ever video him, this wouldn't believe. No believe. They a clout, the girl look a star, shine off a blood clot, general. Someone have to see it to believe it. Someone don't believe some artists them a suck pussy and die quiet. Someone don't believe someone look artists them a batty man. I know if I girl them in a business I make girl suck all them pussy too. So I'm telling you, same way how you feel like you have nasty bedroom. The blood clot dirty artists they have it too, cause them a human being and blood running at them and they love niceness and sweets. And you see freakiness? Freaking it's a heights, a sweets, my friend. You see me cause nothing make your blood clot, yeah, them twitch like when somebody tongue there under your ear, my friend. Just believe that when somebody daughter unscrupulously lick some part of you, you feel like you want blood clot collapse, daddy. Yeah, that's a, so don't blame Jackie. Me just I said Jackie, I did tell you, you know, when I sang them already, like, throw some of my blood clot roots, pan it to them somehow, no? Hey! You think a Jackie or alone a suck pussy boy, yeah? Wait until you hear some of the same artists them we have in a song. Burn out boy when you am pussy. Them the boy the tongue busy like 95 underneath girl pussy body. Me I tell you that. Right man, some of them thinking more boy where you see boy hey yo, so any boy will suck pussy. Wipe out. Yeah. Be a freak. Hey, you see Jamaican man them are the biggest blood clot undercover freak them. You ever hear undercover lover? Me want the undercover freak them. This is not no undercover lover. You know how Jamaican woman love get them pussy suck out? Yes, I was suck you out. You hear them? No more see look see him now, see Jamaican man them when you see right down there. Freaky and plaka with them dirty mouth, you see. Jamaican man when you see right there, so. Nobody like suck pussy like Jamaican man them. And do freakiness. Give your body feel lick out. All kind of things. Jamaican man them freaky. Why you think them bunny outside and be a song? Oh, burn out this. Well, they not burn out nothing. And then joy. When people girl pitney have them tongue underneath them like girl pitney. And that them love. Jamaica man them. And freak, you know, lick your pussy and I tell you nothing look on them sitting there. So when you see Jack your business there road right, you know, say I'm a freak. Nobody know if a bumbuckler surprise that Jack your is a freak. How are the rest them you not use? A fool him relax. What up on the head? Rascal. All the better if he girl and hold him in and fuck you and just a wipe his pussy on him bumbuckler mouth. While him body I get lick at them the boy they love 69. And them look a fucking weird. Enough of the artists say the boy and your mouth girl pussy like grocery. You understand me? Some boy eat, some boy to make you openly say I eat my wife pussy daily. Them boy they walk on talk say they name pussy but they know their career are done. But let me tell you this. All of them are freak. None of them love freakiness, so. Oh, the first thing a Jamaican man want are them pussy and them cocky for suck. Say what you think? A Jamaican girl no want pussy for suck too? Yes. Who can the girl have my name? Come on for you with my name, pussy hole. I'm to your drunk, bro. Where your pussy cloud come from? Every minute you come with a fake page. Lick out my body hole and stop use my name. Use your real page, your old shit pit. All you undercover blood clot freak. All Jezebel. Dirty freaky man then that Jamaica. Enough of no girl no wanna lie. Suck on no mother. You as all out of thinking dirty bumbleclad Jamaican shit pit, dirty nasty bumbleclad boy them are some freak them. You don't know that. All of them are freak. Pleasurously. They come suck out on a pussy and beat on enough it talk. And then one time when you come see man like Jack Cura get them body wall lick out by them girl ya. When you make him and them a fly in the girl them fi come lick out them body wall and when you down there lick you out for free. You see that you a fool? Who no see say me a blood clot perfect for telling us so no fi give boy them a pussy fi suck. Who no down there lick out Jack Cura body for free. And him a fly in girl and the girl them a decline the bumbleclad offer. Boy Cure, me no know. Me not gonna tell you say me don't believe the girl because this life we live in has some junk and dog shit on a be bad man. Me telling you that straight. You understand me? Yes, man. No, of course, idiot. What the fuck you could talk about including me or open the taxi me name pussy every day? Me not like that to blood clot idiot. You know? Of course I'm a freak. Everybody bumbleclad know that. All you coming like one bumbleclad pampas full of piss. You know bumbleclad sense. Well, you know so I put the put in the 2 cents, put in it. Put in the 2 look a blood clot idiot sent me shit up and piss up on there. Yeah. So you know, sister, me in a man clothes and a fuck girl, me no must a blood clot pussy. Cause me want yam pussy. Me no undercover freak like you. Me hopingly a freak. I am a hoping freak, you know. A hoping bumbleclad freak this year look on right here, so. This yeah. Oh shit house yeah. Me is a hoping freak. I eat pussy on my own ledger because I want to and I love to. Don't get it. Alright. So, Jack Cure, all me have to say to your brother is me know na freak long time. I want to some idiot surprise about you know. You understand me? I am an open freak. Me not have nothing for blood clot hide. Me openly near. Me don't know. Everybody just want blood clot. I am an open fucking freak, you know, because at the end of the day, people, you have to be truthful about who you are. If you're a batty man, you have to contact and live your blood clot life and stop give people AIDS. Enough boy, a batty man and a fuck girl and I quiet and then I can shit up a girl them whole and I cause so much in disease about the place. Everybody for free for be there what they need for be so we can tap misjudge and mischaracterize pussyclad people. Yeah, when if you come openly be you now, so people that get confused and get STD on top of that. Right? You know have to look, boy, I mean I know what you say to me, my friend, because I'm openly leg of my tongue, boy, yeah. And come in, sit and take you up and me just know, say, yo, yes, I'm going to let it stay on the moment. When you don't want to fool the tongue stay on the, when you burn this and when you burn that, no for the girl who have burn me out of some of my biggest sodomite, them biggest lesbian, dirty girl, them. Now live good, you know, more just busy in a bumbuckler like road. You see me? And them look how weird there. I want to tap it, dirty girl. Me not like no style about that. You know, shit house. Eh? Look there. If Jack Cure look at tape never come out now, you see it? The whole of no groupie girl wherever underneath blood clot artist picture about Jesus. In cutie, look for my husband and who them a call in for lick out the body hole them and who just a come lick out body hole say Jack Cure fly into a film blood clot groupie them for come lick out in body hole. Them so happy to get a ticket for left which part them bumbo clot they forgot their own artist. When them reach a body hole, them have to come lick out to blood clot, mama them becks. Mama, what the fuck you mean by? You know, oh, mama say, actually you see locks them, you fooled. You was fooled by the locks. You thinking the cure is not going to be a man who are going to give him body hole for lick out. You think that Jack Cure are going to give you roots for drink and just rub your back with coconut oil. And that's a dear bay rasta things, ain't good eh? No good as not them your blood clot. Nowadays, man, you like thinking about Jack Cure, my friend. You have to lick out Jack Cure body hole and them thing there. I want to know that because I don't want to be artist group is so bad. I don't want artists to fly on out. Underneath every artist, as the artist go on a little acknowledgement to no go in one car and go blood clot faint. When the artist jump in on the inbox and say, you wanna fly down to come link me? You ready? Like Freddy to blood clot. When you go, you feel body feel lick out and every blood clot body all way in a crew. You make sure see you lick out that with all kind of fucking happiness in your heart, here girl. Because you see, you know, you not gonna get one of blood clot deserve now. Yes. It bring me to Little Kev. Batty Kev. I don't know what this is. Yes. Alright, make it alright, Justin. Boy, Little Kev, I get to understand something with you, you know. I will if a time I come here for lick you off already, you know, lick out your bum buckler, you to put box under your ass. You understand what I deal with? As a batty man, we have AIDS, right? We're supposed to have taking regular medication and them look something there, right? Where you come about? When your Ivani turn bestie, and you Vani, me I come to you next. When you're Ivani, why you love going at straight people? When they hear cocky war, why you like to go over there? So you and them man you fuck? No, you go over, yeah, twinkle this, twinkle that, twinkle do, twinkle do. You want you make Batman too, you know, because you make Bumbucklad, Vani, Yamabella out for him Bumbucklad self, you know, too. Vani, you know, why you run up and down back of a man like me like that? Impose you now, then impose another girl tomorrow, then you and him again on a car left. Do you really want to live like that? You're going to sit down there and listen to this blood clot confused Batman here. This Batman here when I take film bombo clad peel them. You know, she say all the way over Japanese, in gonna live over there over Japan Ching Try. In gone over there and be a rice and bullfrog. Eh? You dip on the internet every minute now, you see him, when call himself? Mostly Angelina or one of them there. Every minute you look, you see one Batman take up an actress name and I go, why you not stop it, Batman? Every minute you look a Batman name now call you run up and dug it and be there. You know about who for cocky. You know about this or cocky, this or that, the cocky. What the blood clot you know about? All you know, Vani, Jesus Christ. How what the panel? Let me roll a giant there. You know I love you, Vani? Ivani, do you know how much I love you? As a little sister. I love you a lot, you know. One time the thing say you're the smartest sitting on the blood clot gram. Yo, no girl can grow out Vani. Vani are the blood clot smartest. You're the hacker of the century, man. Me I say nobody can grow on blood clot Vani. And what? When you look, Vani are yamed to blood clot. Vani sensation is a big bumbo clot. Renta yamed to pussy clot. One renta, you know? One bumbo clot renta. When you look, you see Vani with a boy with little damn bumbo clot him. Spend one whole heap of money upon the boy. Wanna live pan pussy clad pink wall like I wanna own it. Sometimes I feel like a Vani run over bumbo clad pinky there. Boy, me love pinky still, me not lie. Feel me, girl. Me say one time, when me look at you and Vani, you and Neil. Twinkle, Neil, twinkle, Neil, twinkle, Neil, twinkle, Neil, twinkle. Me bumbo clad as a yamed. You don't know one time I had the yamed? Eh? You have this blood clot confused, but you are me don't know your boss. Yeah, you know say Neil and Vani can't left. You didn't even left Bumbo clan in alone. You say you're better than that, Mama. Mama, let me tell you something about one in a man. Owning a man is not what you think. And upon fame time or when him can. You need to be taken care of. You don't need a man in your life, mama. You know, Sister Neil not did that for you. Look for me a reason. Right, you know. Neil not did that for you, mama. Right now. See you later. Are you alright? Vani. When your birthday come. When your birthday come, Vani Sensation. I hope Neil have the same energy towards you. You see, same way like how you go all out and you book 30 million, this and you book 70 room and how much money it costs you. You just make sure say on your birthday, him have the same blood clot energy towards you. Because one thing in a van here is not an ugly girl, you know. Sometimes I wonder what happened to blood clot. If I tie then tie you or a what. Because there is no way a little girl with don't ugly. Van have good speaking girl, you know. Yeah. Talk nice and so. Me I wonder if a low self-esteem you have. Me I wonder if I set you so. But me I wonder how the blood clot you run down one man when now run you down you see him here. Mama, man, the energy of the on the two side of the fence. You see, if you go so boom, and you treat a boy so, and you see the boy not treat you about the same way, what the blood clot you try so hard for. Mama, a energy we deal with. If your bumbo clot man not treat you the same way you treat him, what the fuck you treat him so far? When the blood clot, Mama, watch you now. If a man say him rate you don't need glasses to see that. You don't need nothing at all to see that. More than how him treat you, how him deal with you. He's a very nice bumbuckler girl. How you feel like you can't get a man? Mama with the blood clot. If a cocky you run down, Mama, you're a joker. You think a one man have some blood clot hood boy? Yeah? Hey, Mama? You think say one man have some good old boy? Yeah? No. Every day you get up and you slave out yourself and your energy and get disgraced by the same youth over and over and over again. It must show you say him not rate you and you rate him. That's how rating's going on, babes. You see when time a man knows say you rate him, him a go stick around all if him no want you. You see me? Just cause him know say, oh, you see you? A girl will spend her food. The girl will spend her money. You see me I deal with? Yeah, him a go stay around. And then you like the fool you made, I say I love. Because you don't know what real love is, you know. Real love don't cost you $1. And if you are going to treat a human being that way there, and them not treat you about the same way, what you do it for? You don't need for bumbuckler do it, Mama. You understand me? Because let me tell you this. Social media not blind, me not blind, nobody not blind. And you alone, me see I go all out for Neil. Me not see him do nothing more than post other girl. And I go like him and some hot nigga. Mama, when you buck up them look a hot wood boy, yeah, my friend. You have to just know say you fuck him or something that we all hold down to, Mama. Them the fuck, they are not something where you come globalize and come make up now one whole heap of nice boy, yo, and my man. That is never gonna be your man. That's not your man nor twinkle man. No bumbuckler now have that man. Which man? Which man? The man there? No my man. Which man? Fool no bumbuckler man. That the boy there walk and fuck anything him can catch right you know. I was spend. Well, you, all you twinkly are yamed too. Cause even though you neither. Which man don't want to behave that way there? We none of you. Eh? Which man don't want to behave that? A man don't want a girl him care about her feelings. Him not care about none of the feelings. Him care about fame feelings. Her fame feelings him care about. Say them in a sense you a bum buckler a broke off your neck. Oh yo, finna man. Make a boy broke off him neck for you, man. Oh, I'm tear. I when on a girl start make it be the way they around. I never that it's supposed to be them long time they goodie. Them long time they wanna know say a boy pitney go on them things and take care of us woman, men are breadwinners. You understand me? No one if you go over on a bum buckler limit for some little boy. A boy them because men don't expect these things. You understand what I deal with? Them a boy, a boy. Vanny is a very nice girl. She not ugly. All Vanny need is a some of the time as I'm telling you some of the girl are wicked, you know. You see the man out the phone, you no want that man there. So I say me ugly and me this and me that and me the ugliest thing and Ray and Tay. I see him so one girl see me in the person and she say, you know the musical you ugly on the internet and what I see in person you know ugly. Besides the point, me just say some of the time them the man who for uno no want that you know. Uno want the boy who certain know say that nigga is